This is like my 10th take. I've been redoing this for so long. What's up, it's Phia, and today I'm gonna be showing you on how to do the color customizer edits that you see on TikTok. If you live here in Philippines, you'll know that the color customizer filter on TikTok is unfortunately unavailable yet. But don't worry, because I found a way on how we can do it.
It'll be better if we had just never met.
Also, don't worry if you're an Android user because I got you. The app that we are gonna be needing for this one is CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing app and it also has a lot of cool features. Also, unlike other video editing apps, it doesn't have any watermarks, so it's very convenient. I also use CapCut for the editing of my South Wars and slow-mo vids, so dog.
It'll be better if we had just never met. I wish we never met. We broke up on TikTok, chat crying on my DS.
Bye guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you can see more from me. Also, if you have video suggestions, then just leave it in the comment section and I'll do it. I'll try to. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts so we can keep tabs on each other. So, leave it here and bye!